I used this oil before, but my hair never changed like this. After just a week of using this herbs infusing oil, my hair started growing faster, thicker and strong. No chemicals, no fake promise. Just rosemary, moringa, hibiscus and the right oil infused the right way. If you struggle with slow growing, thinning edges or breaking, do not skip this video because this oil works magic. You do not need many products for hair growing. You need the right herbs, the right oil and consistency. This infusing oil completely changed how my hair grew, feel and looking. Most people mix oils random. They don't use them proper way and they are expecting results without patience. Hair growing starting at the scalp and helps fill the scalp deeply. As you guys can see, and now I'm adding my oil, sunflower oil into my bottle. I blended my hibiscus, moringa and rosemary. I make it into a powder form and now I added my sunflower oil. What I'm going to do, I'm going to replace it because this oil I'm going to make it double boil method. Normal, when you are making the double boil method of your things, you can do it after you leave it for a week or a month before straining, but I'm out of oil. That is why I'm going to do this oil for you guys to see. If you are going to make yours also, you can make it that way or you can do it and leave it for 1 month or 2 months or 3 months or 2 weeks or 1 week before straining it. Okay, so guys, stay tuned. Do not skip this part of any part because this video must be the oil that will change your hair story. Don't mind me, I have so many oils on the fire, but that's not the one that I'm going to explain to you guys. I'm explaining to you guys about the moringa, rosemary and hibiscus. That one I'm placing it into my water, my hot water right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it for 30 minutes. Okay, I'm going to do it 30 minutes. The remaining one, I'm going to keep it, maybe another day I can use it. My queens, why infusing oils are very powerful. Infusing oil, when you are infusing, allow herbs to to infuse very well into your things, vitamins and the minerals. Let everything infuse very well, and also you can use to grow your hair and stimulate your hair completely. Also, you can use it for so many ways. When I say so many ways, hot oil treatment or scalp massaging oils you can use it for. So right now I'm removing this oil. This one is carrot oil, so that one, I'm not talking about that one because I'm not here because of the carrot infusing oil. We are talking about the hibiscus, moringa and the rosemary. That one is still on the fire, and you can see the left side. I have my butter also in that side also. So I'm doing so many things. I want to do everything at once because I don't want to do it and come back again. So now guys, rosemary, let's check and see. Rosemary, my queens, now let's check and see the benefit of these ingredients. Rosemary is known for hair growing activated. Rosemary is increasing blood circulation to the scalp, more blood flows and also faster hair growth. Rosemary, it also helps to reduce hair shedding, strengthen weak roof. If you have your roof is very weak and you are using rosemary, it's going to help you. So now guys, after that, I'm just showing you guys, this is my hair butter. It's the same ingredients that I used to make the hair butter. So now after that, I allow it get cool for 1 to 2 hours. Now the thing is cool now, so I bring it out again. Now I'm going to strain my oil. So please stay tuned because I'm going to tell you guys, I want you guys to know if you are going to use it and you use it the right way, you are going to get the result. But if you use it the wrong way, you are not going to get the benefit. As I told you guys at the beginning, I used this oil before, but I have never seen any changes of my hair until I get to start using it the right way. That's the time that I noticed this oil is working for me. So when you see a video and you really want to do that, and please, you need to watch the video to the end because if you don't watch to the end, you may miss some part and you go and make your own and make mistakes. So after I strain the first batch, I'm going to strain it again to make it 2 times. This one I use this one to strain it, so now I'm going to strain it for 2 more times to make sure that all the dirty particles, everything will be the oil. I need the oil to be very, very clean. So now I'm going to strain it another 2 times. You also, when you are going to do yours, please make sure that the particles, you strain it very well. So let's check and see moringa nutrients. Moringa is powerhouse. Moringa is filling the hair follicles deeply. It helps with thicker hair, strengthening and shining your hair. It's also rich in vitamins that prevents hair breaking and dryness. Moringa is very, very powerful. So please, these powerful things, unless you do it the proper way, if you don't do it the proper way, you may not get the result, as I tell you guys at the beginning of the video. So right now, after straining, the next thing that I'm going to add is I'm going to add my essential oils. Okay, I'm going to add essential oils. So what I'm going to do when I do it like that, it was a little bit thick, so I added oil inside of it again, because my daughter is having low prostate hair, and the children's scalp is very delicate, so I don't want the oil to be too much thick like that, looking too much thick. I need it to be a little bit looking lightly. So let's check and see hibiscus. Hibiscus also help to reduce hair breaking and improving elasticity to your hair. Now I'm going to add my lavender essential oil. Hibiscus is also improving elasticity to your hair and adding thickness. It's also supporting longer hair growing. Okay, it means that growing in length retention when you are using hibiscus. So these 3 ingredients are very, very powerful. So after I added my lavender inside, the next ingredient, the next essential oil that I'm adding is my peppermint essential oil. Okay, so my people, these are the very powerful things. So please be patient with me, because I have to explain to you how you can do to apply it, because without doing the mistake that I do the first beginning when I started using this oil. So the next thing, I'm adding my rosemary essential oil into it. So let's check and see. Sunflower oil is also lighting, as I told you, it's lighting hair, is light oil, and also penetrating easy to your scalp. It's also locking in the moisture and leaving your hair or the hair's nutrients. These things. But if you have low prostate hair, you can use the sunflower oil. I think all the hair type you can use the sunflower oil. But please always make sure, if you are going to use the same herbs, use the right oil to infuse it. Make sure you know your hair type, so that you know the right oil that you can use to infuse it to get the benefit. So my queens, now what I'm going to tell you guys, if you have essential oil, what type of essential oil that you have, that one you can add inside. It's up to you, because I added lavender and peppermint and rosemary and vitamin E oil. If you also have the same one, fine. If you don't have it, which one that you have, just put inside. When I told you guys that I used this oil before, but I didn't see changes, why did I say that? How did I use it? Because if you are going to use oil without hydrating your hair first, and you just take the oil, start to massage your scalp, you are not going to get any benefit. You are not going to see any changes from that oil. So always make sure this oil, before you apply to your hair, always make sure to damp your hair, whether you are going to use herbs spray, aloe vera herbs, or you are going to use normal water to hydrate your hair first before put this oil to massage your scalp. But when you just take the oil while your hair is dry, not this oil, even every type of oil you are using for your scalp or your hair, or any butter or leave-in conditioner, please always make sure to hydrate your hair first. Because if you don't hydrate your hair, you just use the oil inside your hair like that, you are not going to get the benefit. Now guys, you can see I have 2 bottles of it. Thank you very much for watching. So please always try to stay consistency. That's the most important of this thing. Bye bye. Please